Corning reported an excellent third quarter, highlighted by sales growth, margin expansion, and an improved full-year outlook. Core sales were $3 billion, up 16% year over year. Net income was $476 million, up 18% year over year, and EPS was 51 cents, up 28% year over year. We also delivered on our goal to improve gross margin to 42%, a significant increase over last year and the first half of 2018. All businesses delivered year-over-year sales and profit growth. Expect very strong performance again for the fourth quarter and full year, and now expect to exceed $11.3 billion in sales for the year. We have passed an inflection point. We are now seeing our four-year, $10 billion investment drive growth and extend our leadership. We are gaining momentum, and we plan to build on that going forward. Progress on our strategy and capital allocation framework also remains excellent. We returned $542 million to shareholders in the third quarter of 2018 for a total of $11.4 billion since the framework's introduction, and we advanced in each of our market access platforms. In mobile consumer electronics, we extended our cover glass market leadership with the successful launch and adoption of Corning Gorilla Glass 6. The use of Gorilla Glass for both the front and backs of devices also expanded. We're innovating in new device categories and are on track with our goal to double sales over the next several years. Our objective in life sciences vessels is to grow our base and build a new, long-term, multi-billion-dollar franchise. We increased shipment of Valor Glass threefold versus this time last year, indicating growing progress towards certification across more pharmaceutical companies. In optical communications, increased customer commitments support accelerated capacity expansion and share growth. Optical communications continue to progress faster than expected towards the goal of $5 billion in annual sales by 2020. Turning to automotive, Corning remained at the forefront of the next wave of emission controls. European regulations took full effect in September, and gasoline particulate filter sales are ramping. China will be the next to introduce GPFs, and we announced that Chang'an Automobile selected Corning as its supplier for gasoline particulate filters. In Gorilla Glass for auto, we have been awarded more than 50 platforms to date. In display, we are delivering stable returns. TV retail demand and screen size growth supported strong volume growth in the display glass market. Corning is exceeding this growth due to the ramp of our Gen 10.5 plant in Hefei in tandem with BOE's panel production, further extending our global industry leadership. Putting it all together, we have moved beyond the inflection point. We are now seeing our four-year, $10 billion investment drive growth and extend our leadership. We are also rewarding investors by returning more than $12.5 billion, which compounds the benefit of our future growth for long-term shareholders.